Hello, it's Jay from Gadgety News, and I'm going to be unboxing the Blue Microphones Spark Blackout SL microphone. Now this is a special edition, or the latest edition of the Spark condenser mic. It's studio grade. It actually takes XLR rather than USB, so that's the professional or the standard microphone cable, and it's probably top notch for home recording, home studios, as well as podcasting and any other sort of live casting you've got to be doing. On the box here it tells us that there's a 100 Hz low cut filter switch. It's also a minus 20 dB pad switch. You also get a large diaphragm, cardioid condenser capsule, brilliant for microphones and studio work. And the other great thing is it's a rather sexy black colour. So let's have a look what's inside this rather swish box. Slide out the outer carton, and you've got it in a carton. Open the tabs here. Ooh, I can see wood, so to speak. So before we get to the fresh wood, a little bit of reading, which pretty much no one will ever do. But it's going through the applications, so vocals, acoustic guitar, electric guitar, drums. Don't know why you'd mic up an electric guitar. Well, through the cab, I suppose. Piano, blah 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 blah. It's a microphone. Does look good in that colour, very retro. But we have got the blackout version here. So let me whip out the wood. Sorry, I'll stop with the cheese. Ooh, right, nice slidey box. Certification of quality, so it's been checked, and we'll take that for granted. Remove the foam. We've got plastic and a rather weighty microphone. There's just some silica gel in there, and it cut out foam, but dun, dun, dun. How nice is that? Shiny and lovely. So you've got sort of a matte black on the body and shiny anodized sort of finish. There's the XLR pins. Yours not to minus 20 dB, and your low frequency cut. But that's a really nice thing. I mean, just drop it. How professional is that? If you got that on Christmas, you'd be a happy, happy, happy camper. Nice. What else have we got in here? Neat little sticker. And an empty carton. And in this guy, oh, get a little anti-vibration cage type thing. That's neat. Oh, it'll look a pro setup with that. If you've not seen one of these little things before, basically you fit it onto your mic stand here, and you've probably seen them in when they do radio broadcasts and whatnot. That will just screw in like squeaky, squeaky, squeaky. That just screws in like so. That's on your mic stand, and if you knock the table or anything, the suspension mount will take the brunt of that. So there you have it. That is the Blue Microphones Spark Blackout SL condenser mic. I'm now off to do some audio tests, so keep it here. There'll be a review of this microphone up very shortish-ishly, and until the next time, see you on gadgetynews.com. Ta-ra now.
Check, 1, 2. Cheese. This is a recording using the Astro TR headset and mic. Nice. Thank you for listening to Gadgety News. Check 1, 2. Cheese. This is the Blue Blackout Spark SL. Thank you for listening to Gadgety News. Check, 1, 2. Cheese. This is a recording using the Astro TR headset and mic. Nice. Thank you for listening to Gadgety News. Check 1, 2. Cheese. This is the Blue Blackout Spark SL. Thank you for listening to Gadgety News.